There are a lot of techniques on meditation. However, people fail to stop the thinking, to stop the thoughts. Why that happens? Because they don't know. If they are practicing regularly, if they are giving consistency, if they are focusing on their breath, or if they are focusing on the imagination, mental rehearsal in this age of uncertainty, confused, at least you are practicing meditation, and many thoughts come and go, but you have to go with the flow. You have to practice mental rehearsal. So there are a lot of things which I am going to offer you in the healing journey session. Please sign up. Thank you.